Spicy cucumber salads is our specialty, so there is no surprise that we are showing you how to make a quick, no-ferment cucumber kimchi today. It's important when you're making this cucumber kimchi that you actually salt the cucumbers. The salt helps draw out the excess moisture from the cucumbers and gives them the crunch after marinating in the kimchi seasoning. What I love most about this cucumber kimchi is that it delivers that addictive, tangy kimchi flavour without days of fermentation. Always taste the seasoning and adjust the flavours according to your taste. Cucumber kimchi is not just for Korean food, but it also makes a fantastic side for a range of Asian dishes. You can make just enough for one meal or enough to last a few days. It's that flexible. You can enjoy the cucumber kimchi pretty much right away, but I like to let it sit for a little bit longer for more flavour. I love this easy cucumber kimchi because it's fast, bold and perfect as a side dish or tucked into a meal prep lunchbox.